All right, so in this video, I'll show you how you can export and download something. It should be quite fast. So press on export up here and press on download. There's many different download options for you to choose from. It's just going to take a second to render, especially when you have multiple voice clips. Just choose your file type. We even have like a WAV file, a WAV file available here, and make sure to, if you want to download this, just press on download. It's going to take a second. It's going to render your audio, and then you'll be able to download it. And there's many more options available for you if you want to create in the quality if you want. And I also wanted to show you how to share this without downloading. Just press on create public view link. That's going to give you a link that's hosted on the Wondercraft platform, and you can just directly use that link and share it with colleagues and friends to just share your creation. As always, if there's any questions, make sure you let us know. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your RSS feed using Wondercraft. Thanks. Bye.